Hey, it's Taylor Whitmer from fourth period IED. Here's my PowerPoint on engineering design. Engineering, what I think it is where you work with problems that will help everyone out and all. It is all techy and all that. What it really is the branch of science and technology concerned with the design, building, and use of machines and structures. So they basically design and overlook all the construction of all the things you see around us. The first sign of engineering is chemical engineering. Chemical engineers use chemical processes to find innovative and creative ways of producing goods. Now, this is like using chemicals and stuff like that, obviously. Most of the things you can find in chemistry class. There is some downsides to chemical engineering. There can be mess ups, it's hard to get the measurements exact, and if there is, it can be nice blow ups, and it's just, it takes from the top notch people. Second type of chemical engineering is civil engineering. Now, civil engineers oversee the construction of buildings and infrastructures that make up our world. So they basically make the domes and the skyscrapers all the way down to the huts all around us. They oversee the construction of it, make sure all the measurements have been properly conveyed, and everything's going to be stable enough and pretty darn important. Third part of engineering is electrical engineering. They develop and come up with some of the most fun things in our lives as well as the most essential. They go from medical tests to communications. Now they work with like radio technology. So with walkie-talkies, phones, there's certain tests they build. One problem I think they would have is getting the radio technology to work or work right. The third type, or fourth and last type, my favorite, is mechanical engineering. Now, just about anything you can think of involves a mechanical process, whether it's cool, cutting-edge product or life-saving medical device. So basically, anything you see around here is mechanical engineering in normal life, like our laptops and our laptop cases, the projector you're watching the screen, probably made from mechanical engineering. It's my personal favorite, and it's pretty interesting. The only thing I can really see coming out of it is it's hard to come up with this stuff because it's such a wide range. You don't really have a set base to come up. Computer science is vitally important. Very they make like the designing process on the computers. They make sure they have measurements. It's the start of all other engineering. It's pretty interesting. That's my PowerPoint. Most of my sources just came from Discovery Engineering. Very simple. It's Taylor Whitmer from fourth period IED. See you.